Through eco-friendly wash that now cleans our salad 7 times better.
That's why I serve my customers and my family Fresh Express.
I'm sure you can do chicken. I'm thinking Cornish game hen. Then everybody gets their own little baby chicken on their own little baby
No food for you, but hello.
Oh, non-deep salad. No, it's absolutely pronounced non-deep. Why is it?
When you cut your cell phone bill in half, switch to Straight Talk Unlimited Everything for just
Cappuccino?
$1 so you'll feel richer too. Only at one.
My feet are killing me.
Well, we're here to get you customer thought inserts.
Dr. Scholl's Custom Fit Orthotic Center recommends the Custom Fit Orthotic that's best for your tired feet. Footcare scientists are behind it.
Look at the two of you sitting there. Don't you look cute?
What does that mean for a feet?
Okay, we're ready to give you a plate. Ready for the plate?
Around a whole lot all the time.
That's super.
3, 4.